Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Today I'm gonna unbox the new fitness band called the M4 band. Uh, it's a replica of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. So let's unbox the new M4 band and check it out. So it's a tiny box. Let's unpack it. Wow, the box really looks like the original Xiaomi Mi Band 4. I hope the band itself is not the real one. Let's see. There's the specification here, but it's written in Chinese, no English obviously. There's some logo, but again written in Chinese. This is the band. The original packaging is also the same. So let's unbox it and let's see what you get inside. Okay, here we go. So here is the band itself, and there is a charging cable, there's a tiny manual, and nothing else here, or anything here? No, nothing else here. So let's see the manual first. It says Smart BP HR bracelet user manual. There's some instructions here. I think some tips and instructions here, and inside everything is in Chinese. There's a barcode, the QR code. I think it's for the app which you can operate in the smartphone. Okay, so this is the charging cable, the USB 2 port, and this is the band itself. It really looks like the original Xiaomi Band 4. Yeah, there's the screen protector here, there's the sensor here. Nothing here in the original Mi Band 4. There's a Mi logo somewhere near here or here. Okay, Let's turn it on. I think holding it the button. Yes, hello. Yes, obviously this is not the full touch screen like the Xiaomi Band 4. It's only this tab button here. You can press the tab button. There are the menus. The watch face, I think you can change the watch face by holding it the button. Yes, the second one, the third one. So 3 watch face. We turn it off. And check the device from the wristband, the strap. So this is the device itself, and there's the charging port for connecting the cable. Here you can push it like this, and this way you can charge it using USB adapter or the computer. Okay, that's it. I'll review the band after some use, so see you later. Thanks.